Many recent innovations, such as virtualization, make the IT environment more complex. Complexity limits IT departments in their delivery of dynamic and reliable workspaces. RES PowerFuse 2010 is crucial in successfully converting your desktop infrastructure to a dynamic workspace. The new management console is intuitive and streamlines the context-aware composition of user workspaces. The Context button allows you to define context rules for each individual identity, location, and device. The improved directory services now support unlimited Microsoft and Novell directories. Composition allows all desktop items to be configured according to context. Throughout the management console, Instance Search simplifies the way in which you find just the right configuration. Security holds all the restrictive rules to secure the workspace, including a session-based firewall. Diagnostics is a place to be for IT help desk employees. All relevant information on users and computers is stored here. Finally, the Setup section is where the one-off setup of the RES PowerFuse 2010 environment is carried out. Desktop transformation enables you to take a step-by-step approach to transforming your existing desktop infrastructure into managed user workspaces. This approach reduces any risks and has minimal impact on the desktop user. The desktop sampler collects information on a user's context, together with all the available desktop items from any existing desktop environment. The Workspace Designer analyzes the information that has been collected. It then predicts the impact on the user and automatically configures the context and desktop items in RES PowerFuse 2010. The Workspace model enables you to control the implementation of user workspaces at each stage, as well as dealing with a range of users and devices. The impact analysis shows you what impact the managed desktop item will have on users compared to the unmanaged situation. This impact can be minimized by simply matching the access control to the unmanaged situation. A workspace model provides different workspace configurations to match each type of user. Task workers, for example, can be restricted all the way, whereas knowledge workers are given more flexibility. And mobile users are provided with additional folder synchronization functionality. Zero profile technology makes the storage of personalization settings easy. We don't manage the user's profile, we only manage the settings outside the profile. The result is that personalization becomes profile independent and therefore operating system independent. So migrating user settings onto a new operating system becomes an easy task. Now, using zero profile technology, end users can restore user settings for individual applications themselves, without the need to consult the help desk. Folder synchronization enables you to control the synchronization of network resources to laptops according to the identity of the user. With folder synchronization, you can ensure that the right information remains available, even when disconnected from the company network. You can be certain that end users can always access correct and up-to-date data and files. Focused firmly on the future, RES PowerFuse now fully supports Microsoft SQL Azure as a database platform in the cloud. By using Microsoft SQL Azure, mobile workforces can be served by a RES PowerFuse managed workspace in the cloud, removing the need for complex firewalls at the office. To learn more about RES PowerFuse 2010, go to our website and download your evaluation copy.